Hello guys, Sajid is here with a new video, and this is the third part of our React Native weather application series. Okay, so in this video, uh, we will pull the weather data, the weather information uh, from this website. Okay, so we will use this website. Okay, and we will get the weather information. So, and before this, you we should install one package that is called XACS. Okay, we will use XACS to pull data from this website openweathermap.org. Okay, so I install XACS. Okay, I open one another terminal. Okay, we use this plus button to open another terminal. Okay, so XACS is installing. As I told you that we will use XACS to pull data from this website. Okay, from the API of this website. So I click on API, and I click on current weather data. Okay, so I will use this API, okay, to get data from this website. So here you can see, in the API URL, in the API endpoint, this is the API endpoint. We need to pass two things. One is the city name, okay, and the another thing is the API key. Okay, when the installation complete, then we will use this API. Okay, but okay, when so we are installing the package. Okay, we will import the package like this, import XACS from XACS. Okay, and okay, the package is installed. uh, I import two other things from React. One is use effect, which is life cycle hook, and the another is use state. Okay, use state. So this is functional component, but the current version of in the current version, we can also maintain the states in functional component. Okay, so I will use states in the functional component. So for that, let's say uh, uh, whether this is okay, this is the name of the state which I will maintain. Okay, and let's say the initial value is null. Okay, is empty. Okay, so this is actually the state which will store the value, and I assign the initial value null. So here, this is the method set weather info. This is the method which I will use. Okay, I will use this method set weather info to update the data, or to update this state. Okay, this state. Okay, so let me tell you again. This is the state, this is the name of the state, this is the function. Okay, I will use this function to update the data of this state. Okay, the default value of this state weather info is empty. You can see empty. Okay, so you need to, for use state, you need to import this. Okay, the another thing is use effect, which is life cycle hook. Okay, use effect. I pass method here. Okay, as the component mount, as the component load, I want to run I want to run one function. Okay, so let's call it, okay, even I paste the code directly here. So this is the API, okay, and this API is using get method. So what I do, okay, you can see this is get method post, this is get method XACS get method code. You will also find some for post. You can see this is post method. Okay, you will also find others, but I'm using get method. So XACS, just you should import XACS from XACS, and you should also install XACS. So then catch, okay, these two is enough. Here I will pass the API URL. Okay, this is the API URL. uh, okay, so here I will pass the city name. For now, I pass static name like, okay, but I will make this name dynamic, and here I need to pass the API key. Okay, so from where I can take the API key. Okay, you just need to log in. I log out. It's taking time. Log out, please. Okay, and now you should click on sign in. If you don't have account, you should register account, and if you have already account, then you just need to log in. Okay, then you should click on API keys, this tab, and from here you can, I already have two APIs keys. Okay, but you can also generate a third one, but please don't use my keys. I will delete them. Okay, even I can delete it now, but I don't want to delete these two keys for now. So I will delete my keys. You should create your own account, and you should come to API keys, this step, and you should generate your own key. Okay, for now I enter YT name. Okay, API key name, so I call it YT means YouTube, and this is my new key. Okay, I copy it, and I use it here. Okay, so API ID, which is this, Q Islamabad. Okay, now console.won. You can log. This is simple JavaScript, console.log and console.won. Okay, so I want to see data in the terminal. Okay, let me repeat. I imported use effect. Use effect is a live hook method. Okay, so what will happen is this component mounted, as this component loaded, it will run this code. Okay, and what this code is doing, XACS is fetching data from this URL, from this in point, and you know uh, if we get the data successfully, then this block will run, and if we get error, then this block will run. Okay, here we will catch the error. Here we will handle our data. Okay, so let's see what's happening. It should log data to the, okay, I should rerun, I think. Okay, very good. You can see build successful. Now, okay, what happened? Set state, can't find state. Sorry, yeah, this is use state, not syst. Again, it will refresh now, and this time I hope our code will work. Okay, so it says network error. Why network error? Okay, let's see what's happening. I change my key. Yes, I don't know when I change the key. Okay, uh, I used another key, then it's working now. My API keys. I use another one. I don't know which one I used. Let me check. 03. I use this one, and this one is working. This one is not working. I don't know why. Uh, okay, fine. So, okay. Now you can see why we can't see the data. Okay, you can see the data here. I click on it. Okay, you can see the data here. Okay, but I want to know why it's not logging to this console. Let me restart. Okay, you can see here now the data is logged to the command line. Okay, and if I click here, you can also see the data here. Sorry, what happened? Okay, I did something wrong. So okay, this is the data which is logged to a terminal. So what I do, I copy this. Okay, copy. What I did, I selected this and then I pressed Control C. Okay, it is copied. Now this data is confusing. This is not clear. So I don't know where is the temperature. You can see it's here, but I don't know how I will get this. So this is JSON. Okay, this is called JSON. So I write some JSON formatter, and I paste the data here. Okay, I click on process. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, formatted data. Now I close config object, and I close data, I close header, I close request. So I have four object: config, data, headers, request. But I'm interested in header, so I click on it. Okay, I want to see the temperature. So first I will go to data, then I will go to man. Okay, and then here we have temperature max, temperature man, pressure, humidity. Feels like I don't know what is the unit. Okay, for each value, but we should read the API documentation, then we will understand. But I'm not interested in the unit now, because I'm teaching you how we can get the data. Okay, so you know uh, response dot data. Okay, this will give me only this object. Okay, in which I'm interested. If I save this, and even I should store this in the response dot data. I'm calling this method set weather info, and passing this data. So what will happen, this method will store this data in this state. Okay, I want to see, let's say I want to see uh, weather info dot. Okay, now weather info has this data object. I want to go to man. Okay, now I go to man and I go to temperature. Let's see what's happening. Do I need to restart? Why it's not detecting the change? I think I should restart. So here, okay, you can see inside data, you can see, okay, we have coordinates, okay, of the city. I passed Islamabad, so this is the lat long, and we have fields like humidity, temperature, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, city name, okay, and some other information like the country code of this city, okay. Islamabad, this is the city in Pakistan. So sunrise, this is time, this is timestamp, okay. We can convert this value to time. This is sunset, this is also time value, timestamp, time zone, visibility, many things, wind, degree, speed, and very good. You can see the value here, okay. 286.23. Okay, I don't know how to zoom. Can I zoom? I don't know what's happening. Okay, I should run the word weather again. This is the application. Okay, you can see the value here. Okay, I'm using some strange syntax here. So weather, okay. I first copy the state name, okay. Then I do something like this question mark. This means that if it exists, if it has values, okay, if whether info has value, this is not undefined, then go to main. Then again, if main is has value, it is not undefined, then go to them, okay. Same. Now I go to React Native Paper to display this data. In awesome permit, I want to use container some first. Is there some container? No. Some view. Is there anything? I don't know. Where are components? Card, checkbox, dialog, list, caption, paragraph. Okay, I directly use card. I click on card, and first import everything from here. Here, okay. Yes, reactnet, what I'm importing, okay. Then I copy this code which I will use here. uh, you know these are action buttons. Cancel, okay. I don't need action buttons. Even I don't need this cover image, and title, let's see what is, okay. Very simple. And even card title, let's see how it look like. Left content, okay. This variable is not defined, left content. So okay, so card title, it look like this. I also remove this. Now how it look like? Okay, it's good now. I format, okay. Let's say I write here temperature, and here I will do the same. Okay, I write information something like that, and here I write temperature. What is temperature? Temperature, I don't know the exact spelling. So weather info, yeah, dot man dot temp. Okay, then we have some, I oh yeah, it's here. Humidity, no, max temperature. Then I have main temperature. Okay, then and then I have pressure and humidity. This is pressure. Okay, then I have humidity. Okay, let's see how it look like now. You can see all the information, uh, uh, not not formatted. If you want to, let's say, I close man, I close system. Even let's say we need sunrise. So how we will get this? Temp. Okay. Now, let's say we need some other information like I need sunrise. So I will go to sys instead of man. I closed man. I will go to sys. Okay. So sys and what I need sunrise and sunset. Okay, this is sunset, this is sunrise. Wait, okay, very good. Now let's see. Okay, very good. What else we need? If you need anything else, let's say we also need wind. Okay, so how we will do wind? uh, we will go to, instead of sys, now we will go to wind, and we will use degree and speed. Okay, degree and speed. I don't know the unit, that what is the unit of this speed. We should read the API documentation. Okay, the documentation will tell you that what is the unit, and then you can write the unit here. Okay, degree speeds, very good.